بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. So inshallah today we are going to learn about the fourth form of the verb, and what we have to learn today is how to make ismul fa'il. We have already learned the first three forms of the verb, and as we know, the first one is the basic one. فعل يفعل فعلا. افعل is فعل الأمر, you do. لا تفعل, you don't do. Ismul fa'il is the doer, and maf'ulun is the thing that has been done or the receiver of the action. Then we have the second one, which is sabbaha. يسبح تسبيحا. سبح لا تسبح. And musabbihun is ismul fa'il, and musabbahun is ismul maf'ul. Now we have learned that these are the mazid fi. Mazid means like something that is like that has been added. So we have learned already zada yazidu, to add something. So something that has been added. So in the second form of the verb, what is added or what is extra? Tashdid. So sabaha is the base form of the verb, that means to swim basically. And when we change it to the second form of the verb, it becomes sabbaha. And the meaning completely changes. It means to glorify. Sabbaha yusabbihu. And sabbaha and yusabbihu, both of them are used in the Quran. Sabbih is also used, and musabbih is also used. So these are the forms of the verb that we are learning. Jahada, yujahidu mujahadatan, jahid, la tujahid. And the one who strives is mujahid, and the one who is strived against is mujahid. And today we are going to learn aslama, which is the fourth form of the verb. Aslama, yuslimu, islaman. Fi'l al-amr aslim, fi'l al-nahi la tuslim, and ismul fa'il is muslimun. So how do we make ismul fa'il from number 2, 3, and 4? Do you remember how to make ismul fa'il from number 2, 3, and 4? So what we basically do, as you can see here, in fact, so it was basically yuslimu, as we know, it was mudari, and we know that the mudari of the first three forms of the verb, so the second, the third, and the fourth form of the verb, the mudari starts with you. So these ones, as you can see here, that reason why I have like highlighted them is because these three forms, number 2, 3, and 4, the mudari comes with you. Yusabbihu, yujahidu, and yuslimu. So now if we look at yuslimu, and if we want to make ismul fa'il, the doer, so what we have to do? First, we remove mudari, the sign of mudari. Then we put mim with dhamma. And then in the end, we change it to tanween, because we know that a noun carries a tanween. It becomes muslimun. So what's the meaning of the Muslim? The one who surrenders, submits his will to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to the will of Sharia. So Muslim, this, what do you think of the root letters? What are the root letters of this verb? If you look at the basic one, we have aslama. So we know that this hamza is extra, so it will be sin lam mim. Sin lam mim. Okay. So now every verb that happens to be occur or that occurs in the Arabic language that has sin lam mim as root letters, that consists of peace, salama. Every word that happens to be in Arabic or it happens to be in the Quran, that means peace. So that's why we say Muslim. Why we say Muslim is the one who is like the ambassador of peace, is because even the root letters tell us that anything that happens to be with sin lam mim. For example, in the Quran, we have the example of like aslama, then we have Islam, then we have salim, then we have salam, then we have salimun, then we have sallama, then we have sullam, and then we have musallam, muslim, muslim. All of them, they carry the meaning of as-sihha wa salama. Yani the meaning of peace. So inshallah, being Muslims, this is what we are supposed to do, and that's what we are trying to do. So we will be the ambassadors of peace wherever we are, Muslimun. And the feminine will be, what will be the feminine?
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun. Muslimatun. Okay. Similarly, we have ahsana, yuhsinu, ihsanan. So from yuhsinu, what we do, we just remove the sign of mudare and we put meme over there with dhamma, and then in the end we put tanween, so it becomes muhsinun. So do you remember the meaning of ahsana that I told you? To do something excellently. It's not like to do something.
Exemplary.
Sorry?
Exemplary, Ustad?
Exemplary, that's right, yes. So to do something in an excellent way, in an exemplary manner. So ahsana yuhsinu ihsanan, and the one who performs that action is called muhsin. Muhsinun, and then we have the feminine will be muhsinatun. And similarly, we have adkhala, yudkhilu idkhalan, to enter. And again, what we are going to do, let's drop mudkhil, yeah. So
Yes.
mudkhilun, so the one who enters. Okay. Similarly, we have akhraja, yukhriju, ikhrajan, and then we have mukhrijun. Yes. And then we have, this one is why I have decided to add one weak letter as well, so we get a taste of this as well. Amana, yu'minu, imanan. Amana, yu'minu, imanan, to believe. And then from this we have, what will be the ismul fa'il? Yes, please.
Mu'min.
Mu'min, that's right, yes.
Mu'min.
Yes, so we have meme with dhamma, and then mu'minun, yes. So it will be mu'minun, and the feminine will be mu'minatun. And this word also happens to be or occurs in the Quran a lot. Mu'minun and mu'minatun. And we know that the plural will be mu'minuna, and for the feminine it will be mu'minatun, as we discussed yesterday. So all of them, they will have the plural, the feminine form as well. So Muslimun will be Muslimatun, Muhsinun, Muhsinatun, Mudkhilun, Mudkhilatun, Mu'minun, and Mu'minatun. All right, so I believe what I have noticed, I think this form of the verb, the fourth one, is used more than any other form in the Quran or in everyday life. And these verbs, like most of them, we use them like every day. For example, we use ikhraj or akhraja, yukhrij, ikhraj, and the one who brings out will be mukhrij. Similarly, we use the word mukhlis. Mukhlis. So can you bring out the root letter, the past tense and the present tense of mukhlis? Akhlasa, yukhlisu, ikhlasan, and Surah Al-Ikhlas, right? So that means sincerity, to be sincere. And then we have arsala, yursilu, irsalan, and the one who sends will be mursil. Mursil, right? And similarly, we have ashraka, yushriku, ishrakan, to ascribe a partner. So the one who associates partners will be mushrik, right? And similarly, we have aslaha, yuslihu, islahan, to make something good. And the one who makes something good is muslih, right? So as I said, this one is like also mundir is used in the Quran, the warner, andhara yundhiru indharan, and the one who gives warning is mundir, and anzala yunzilu inzalan, and the one who sends down will be munzil. So this one, inshallah, once slowly and surely we are learning all these forms, and please try to ponder and try to figure out when you are reciting the Quran, and you will find out that these forms, without these forms, it's not possible to understand the Quran, because they are used like in every page of the Quran, like 5 to 6 times, like in every line we find them. Okay, so we have covered up to 4th, and I'm sure, inshallah, I sent you the document as well, so I'm sure you're practicing as well. So please don't leave it, or don't be lazy. just try to proceed inshallah further. So we have reached halfway through. We have reached up to 5, and then the rest of the 5, they are really easy ones. Okay, so let's continue with our lessons. All right, so do you remember where we finished yesterday? We finished here. We talked about, yes, we talked about the alamat al-majzoom and the alamat of mudari. So we have learned that dhamma is the alamat al-raf'i, ad-dhammatu. So when we talk about marfu, then dhamma is the sign of marfu. And when we talk about sukoon, then after lam, the ending becomes sakin. So 5 verbs that have majzoom, that's right. So the 5 verbs that have dhamma gets dropped, as we can see here. And the verbs that have una and ina, then the noon gets dropped as well.
Gets dropped
as well, that's right. Yes. And the mabniyun, they don't change. For example, 2 feminine plural forms of the verb, they don't change. So they are as they are, yadhabna and tadhabna. They will not change even if we have lam or lamma with them. Lam, lamma, and la an-nafiya, or nahiya, la an-nahiya, right? So 3 of them, they are the choppers. Do you remember the hammers?
Yes, Ustad.
That's right, yes. An, then we have li, which is lam talil, and then we have lan. Okay, excellent. So today now we have here fi'l al-amr adkhil lam ala al-af'al al-atiya. So now we have to enter, basically adkhil means to enter, but we can say add lam, or when we want to translate it or rewrite the following verb using lam. So basically what we have to do, we have to use lam with these verbs. Okay, so adhabu. Yes, please.
Lam azhab. Lam azhab.
Okay, excellent. And
Yazhabuna. Lam yazhabu.
Lam yadhabu. Okay, very good.
Tadhabina becomes lam tadhabi.
Yeah, it's yadhabna.
Yazhabna.
Will not change, right?
The same thing of me.
Lam yadhabna. What will be the meaning of lam yadhabna?
Don't you ladies don't enter.
No.
No.
Lam is translated as didn't.
Don't leave. Oh, they didn't leave. They didn't
go.
No. Yes, they didn't leave. Yeah, they didn't go. Those ladies didn't go, right? Yadhabna. Okay, tadhabina. Lam.
Lam tadhabi.
Lam tadhabi. Yes, this is you go, tadhabina. For singular feminine, anti tadhabina. And anti lam tadhabi, you don't go. Tadhabu.
Lam tadhab.
Lam tadhab. And what would it mean?
He didn't go, or she didn't go.
She didn't go, or
she
you
didn't
didn't
go,
go,
and
yeah?
you didn't go. Yeah, anta.
Yes, tadhabuna.
Tadhabu. You all males did not go.
Okay, lam tadhabu, you didn't go. Okay, nadhabu, we go.
Lam nadhab.
Lam nadhab, we didn't go. Huh? Lam nadhab.
Lam nadhab.
Yes, we didn't go.
We didn't go.
Yes, okay. So first I would say, please first look at the meaning first. Because if I have noticed with the Arabic language, when we get used to the patterns, we focus more on the patterns and we focus less on the meaning, which is more important as well. So meaning is also, if we ask you to put lam over there, you can put it in a flash. But when I ask you to give me the meaning, then it becomes a little bit difficult. All right, so nadhab, lam nadhab, we didn't go. Tadhabna, sorry. Tadhabna.
Lam tadhabna.
Okay, what's the meaning of tadhabna?
You
all females did not go.
Didn't go.
Didn't go, okay. Yadhabu, okay. Yadhabu, he goes.
Lam yadhab.
Lam yadhab. He didn't go. Okay. Now we have akmil. So can you possibly make the tasrif of akmil, like starting from the past and the present, and then masdar is easier. We know masdar never changes.
أكمل يكمل
أكمل
إكمالا
Ikmalan.
إكمالا
Okay.
أكمل
أكمل لا تكمل
La tukmil. Okay.
لا تكمل
And the one who completes is called
مكمل
مكمل مكمل
Yes,
مكمل مكمل.
yes, excellent. So akmil is fi'l al-amr. You complete akmil al-jumal al-atiyata. And we know al-jumala al-atiyata, they are mansub because akmil carries also you. So it has subject and verb both. So whenever there is fi'l al-amr, the noun that comes after that will be mansub. I'm sure you remember that. أكمل الجمل الآتية بوضع أفعال مناسبة, by putting the suitable verbs في الأماكن الخالية, in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks with suitable verbs in the mudari, in the present tense. Okay, so now we have to use the verbs from ourselves. Okay. ألم اللغة العربية في بلدك يا أخي؟
ألم تعرف؟
ألم تعرف؟ Okay. ألم تعرف اللغة العربية في بلدك يا أخي? Okay, good. Or ألم تدرس, right? ألم تدرس اللغة العربية في بلدك يا أخي? Didn't you study Arabic language in your country? Okay. Number 2. من كسر هذه المرآة يا علي? Who broke this mirror, O Ali?
لا أدري
لا أدري أنا لم
أكسرها.
أكسرها.
Excellent. أنا لم أكسرها. I didn't break it. So when you are asking someone, especially the kids, when you ask them, they straight away say like, I didn't do it. So it's like giving the justification as well. So it says like, أنا لم أكسرها, I didn't break it. And ha refers to the mir'at, to the mirror. Okay, number 3. أخرج الطلاب من الفصل يا حامد. Did the students leave the classroom, O Hamid?
لا لم
يخرجوا
لا لم
يخرجوا
يخرج
لم يخرجوا.
طلاب
الطلاب يخرجون. الطلاب يخرجون والطلاب لم يخرجوا.
لم يخرجوا.
Yes, the students didn't leave. Okay. Yes, please. Yes. قالت المدرسة
للمديرة إن هؤلاء الطالبات لم يكتبن الواجبات.
لم يكتبن الواجبات. That these students, indeed, these feminine students didn't write their homework. It has emphasis. إن هؤلاء الطالبات لم يكتبن. So there will be no change because we know that for the feminine plural, no change will take place as far as the Arab is concerned. But the meaning will definitely change. They didn't write. Okay, number 5.
نحن لم نذهب إلى حديقة الحيوانات أمس.
Excellent.
We didn't go to the zoo yesterday.
Okay, we didn't go to the zoo yesterday. Okay. Kanasat, you remember Kanasa Yaknusu? Kanasat.
to iron
La, to broom, to clean.
broom to clean كنس.
Yes. غرفتها ولم.
Then what's for ironing, Ustad? Mikna
كوا
ولم تكنس غرفتي.
ولم تكنس غرفتي. Yes. Kanasat كوا يكوي means to iron, and kanasa yaknusu is to broom. So kanasat ukhti غرفتها ولم تكنس غرفتي. So she cleaned her room, but she didn't clean my room. Does it happen? Maybe, possibility. Okay, number 7. لما لم الفواكه يا سادة. Yes.
تأكل الفواكه.
No.
تأكلي فواكه.
No. I know Sadatu, you are thinking that it means a feminine name.
Is gentleman?
Ladies, you ladies.
Ladies. Okay.
Isn't it?
Is
Or
it like-
sorry, it's like you gentlemen, sorry, gentlemen. Sayyidun and Sadatun. And Sayyidatun and the plural is Sadatun, okay? So
then
you gentlemen,
تأكلوا.
ta'kulu, yes.
تأكلوا
لما لم تأكل الفواكه يا سادة, oh gentlemen, why don't you eat fruit? فواكه,
Fruits.
fruits, okay. Plural of فاكهة.
Fawaki.
Yes, فاكهة.
فاكهة.
Fakihatun. Fawaki.
Why فاكهة? فاكهة is normal, whereas فواكه will be partially flexible. فواكه is on the plural, on the pattern of مفاعل. فواكه. Okay, ya Salma, alam معنى
تعرف.
تعرفي
excellent. Alam تعرفي معنى هذه الكلمة. Oh Salma, don't you know the meaning of this word?
Anti.
That's the meaning
Yes.
of this word.
Yes. تعرفين, it was تعرفين. So lam will chop the ending of fina and it becomes
Noon.
alam تعرفي.
Arifi.
Okay, excellent. And then we have
رن
number 9.
الجرس. So and the bell is
الجرس.
ringing now.
الآن.
يخرجوا.
ولما.
يخرجوا.
يخرجوا, right? يخرجون.
Noon is dropped.
Noon will be dropped. ولما يخرج المدرسون من الفصول.
Suna min al-fusul.
فصول, فصل, and the plural is فصول. Who would translate this?
فصول.
Number 9.
The bell is ringing now.
The bell rang.
The bell rang.
Is
Excellent.
ringing.
ضربنا الجرس الآن. The bell rang now.
The teacher has noted.
ولما
Not yet exited
Not
from
yet
their
exited
classes.
يخرج, so you want to use يخرجون. يخرج المدرسون من الفصول. And the teachers
يخرجوا.
haven't left the classes yet.
Not
right?
haven't yet. Yeah.
Okay. Number 10. لما لم النوافذ يا بنات.
Open the window. Open فتح.
تفتحنا.
تفتحنا. Excellent. يعني أنتن تفتحنا. So لما لم تفتحنا. So there will be no change to تفتحنا.
Yes, it will be mabni
It's مبني. النوافذ يا بنات.
because it is for antunna.
Excellent. Number 11. لم الوزير من لندن.
لم يرجع
Excellent. لم يرجع الوزير من لندن. Okay, so the wazir, what is the meaning of wazir?
Minister.
The minister.
Minister.
Hasn't returned from London. Okay. Uktub. What kind of verb form
Kataba.
is this? Kataba, yaktubu.
Kataba.
Yes. So this is not the extended, this is not the derived one. This is the triliteral,
This is the
base
command.
form, the first one, yeah. Okay, the base form, okay, uktub. And when we connect it with al, it will be uktubil mubtada bil lawn al azraqi wal khabara bil lawn al ahmari. So now we have to write the mubtada with the blue color and the predicate khabar with the red color. Wadbit awakhiruhuma. And then in the end, we have to put the case endings, the proper endings of the nouns or the verbs. Okay, so now I'm sure, inshallah, you are able to figure out al-mubtada and al-khabar. Yes, yalla nabda, bismillah. So who is going to do the first one? Al-mubtada and al-khabar. I think this is the easiest
Al-ma'u
one.
khalilun.
الماء قليل.
Yes, Ustad.
Okay,
Al-ma'u khalilun.
so which one is mubtada and which one is khabar?
Al-ma'. Al-ma'u
Al-ma'u is
is
mubtada.
khalil. And khalilun is khabar.
What is the ending of
And mubtada is
qalil?
always marfu.
قليل.
And khabar is always marfu.
Okay. Su'adu.
سعاد ممرضة.
Mumarridatun.
ممرضة.
Okay, what's the meaning?
Mubtada khabar. Yes.
سعاد
This
is a
is
nurse.
al-khabar.
سواد is a nurse.
Is a nurse. Okay, Su'adu is mumarridatun. Su'ad is a nurse. Okay.
القهوة باردة.
Al-qahwa. Al-qahwatu baridatu. The coffee is cold.
La
The coffee is
baridatu or baridatun?
باردة.
Baridatun. Baridatun.
Yes, okay. Al-qahwatu baridatun. The coffee is cold.
Coffee is cold.
So which one is mubtada and which one is khabar?
Qahwa is mubtada and baridatun is khabar.
Khabar. Why qahwa is mubtada? Al-qahwatu. What's the reason?
Because al
So proper noun normally, mubtada is a proper noun and khabar is a common noun. Both of them are marfu and both of them are equal in number and gender. So al-qahwatu is feminine, that's why the khabar is also feminine. Al-qahwatu baridatun. Okay. An-nujumu jamilatun. An-nujumu.
The stars are beautiful.
the stars are beautiful.
Okay, so an-nujumu is the subject and jamilatun is the predicate. Mubtada and khabar. Why do we have jamilatun?
Because
Nujum is feminine. Nujum is
plural.
feminine.
Najam is
Plural
singular
of
and masculine.
irrational beings.
Nujum is plural and treated as she feminine.
She feminine because it's the plural of irrational being, right?
Najam.
Yes.
Okay. Jamu taksir, all right. Ad-dukhulu mamnu'un, okay. No
The
entry.
entry is
Yeah.
prohibited.
The entry
No
is
entry.
prohibited.
Entry
No
is
entry.
prohibited. The entry is prohibited.
Okay. Okay, this one. Al-babu
Mughlaqun.
mughlaqun. Okay, the door
Mughlaqun.
is closed. You said mughlaqun,
Is
right?
closed.
So mughlaqun.
Mughlaqun.
Okay, let's figure out the
Ism maf'ul.
ismul maf'ul.
Maf'ul.
Excellent. It's maf'ul, right? It's not ismul fa'il because it will be ismul fa'il if
Because
the second half.
mughliqun.
Mughliqun, yeah. So the mughliqun will be the person who closes.
Fine.
So and fa'il and mughlaq is
The
something that is
door
closed.
is the
Yeah.
one which is closed.
Yes, the door is closed. So aghlaqa yughliqu ighlaqan fahuwa mughliqun. So the one who closes is mughliq. And if you want to make an order, you will say aghliq. Aghliqil baba. Close the door. So that's why we say mughlaq. And what about if it's the an-nafidatu? If it's the window?
Mughliqatun. Ta marbuta will come ustad because it is
Mughlaqatun,
feminine.
right? Mughlaqatun.
Mughlaqatun.
Yes. So an-nafidatu mughlaqatun. The window is closed. Hashimun dhakiyun. Hashim is intelligent. Okay.
Clever.
So Hashim is the subject and dhakiyun is the predicate. Okay. Next, number 9. So now you see we cannot escape these extended or the derived forms of the verb. So which one is this now?
Sabbih.
Sabbih, excellent. So this is the second one, yeah? Okay.
Mayyaza.
Mayyaza, yumayyizu, tamyizan. So tamyiz, maybe you remember that word, yes. So mayyiz is to distinguish. Mayyaza, yumayyizu, and mumayyiz, the one who distinguishes, and mumayyaz is something that is distinguished. Okay, mayyizil jumlatal ismiyata min al jumlatil fi'liyati. So now we have to distinguish between the nominal sentence and the verbal sentence. And I'm sure, inshallah, you can do it. Yes, so the first one, is it?
Kharajal mudarrisu.
Verbal.
It's a verbal sentence.
Kharaja.
Kharaja starts with the verb, okay? Al jumlatul fi'liyatu, okay? Number 2.
Al mudarrisu kharaja. Jumlatul ismiya.
Ismiya, okay. So
And its
al
khabar
mudarris-
is jumlatul fa'liya.
okay, al mudarrisu is the subject. Where is the predicate?
The
Kharaja huwa.
jumlatul fa'liya is the
So kharaja, the pronoun that is inside it, which is huwa, basically that is the khabar, yeah? So al mudarrisu kharaja. So if it's al mudarrisuna, then what will be the khabar?
kharajuna.
Kharaju.
Kharaju, see?
Sorry,
Kharaja,
kharaju. Wawul jama. Yeah,
So
kharaju.
al mudarrisuna kharaju. Okay, ضحك الولد. The son of the child, or the
The
boy
boy
laughed. Yes.
laughed.
Verbal or nominal?
Verbal.
Why is that? Because it starts with the verb.
Dahika is a verb. Dahika.
Okay. Az-zahratu jamilatun. The flower is beautiful.
Nominal sentence.
Nominal.
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 Dakhala talibu. The student in
Verbal
the
sentence. Jumlatul
verbal
fa'liya.
sentence. Okay. Allahu akbaru. Excellent. So,
Nominal.
nominal.
And it's jumlatul ismiya.
How will we translate it?
Allah
Allah is the
Allah is great.
greatest.
Allah is the greatest.
Greatest.
You see, as I told you, how to differentiate and how to translate subject and predicate one more time. After the mubtada, try to put is RM. So it will make our life easier. For example, az-zahratu, the flower, is jamilatun, beautiful. Allahu, Allah, is akbaru, the greatest. So here we have translated akbaru as the greatest. If you remember, we have learned about afalu tafdeel, when we want to when we want to compare between two.
Superlative.
Yes, when we compare between two, after that we put min.
Min.
But if we don't put min after that, then it gives the meaning of the superlative.
Superlative.
Yes. So since there is nothing after that,
Put
so
min, it is comparative.
it will be comparative. And there is no way that we can put comparative over here. So Allahu Akbaru, the translation will be Allah is the greatest. Okay, again, you cannot escape. We have ayyan, sabbaha,
Ayyan.
ayyan al-ism, yes, specify. So what will be the mudari?
Ayyana, you ayyin.
يعين.
Sabbaha, yusabbihu. Ayyin.
Ayyana yu'ayyinu ta'yinan.
Ayyin.
تعيين.
Yes, ta'yinan. So ayyin and la tu'ayyin. And the one who specifies, we will say mu'ayyin, right? And the thing that has been specified will be mu'ayyanun. Now you come to that. Now we have reached where you will inshallah start enjoying it. So ayyin al-isma wal-fi'la wal-harfa fima yali. So we have to specify the verbs and the particles and the ism as well. Okay. Kharaja. Verb. Okay. Al-mudarris.
The noun.
Noun.
اسم.
Wow is the particle.
Particle. Harf. Okay. Al-tullabu.
طلاب اسم.
Noun.
Okay. Min.
Min is again particle.
Particle. Harf. Al-fasl.
Fasla. Noun.
اسم.
Noun. Excellent. So, sa. What about sa?
Is
Harf. Particle. Adhabu.
azhabu.
It's a verb.
Verb.
إلى.
Ila.
Ila particle.
Ila particle. If you want, you can use the Arabic terms as well. So you get used to it as well. Okay. So sa is harf.
Ism.
Adhabu fi'l.
Al-maktabata.
Ila.
Ism.
Okay. Al-maktabati. Right. Okay. So it's
مكتبتي. إلى
yes. Okay.
مكتبتي.
Ismun.
Ism.
Ism.
Bad. Is it?
Zarf.
Yeah. It's ism al-zarf. Excellent. Yeah. So
Ism. Special.
it falls in the category of the noun as well, but
Special.
it is dharf. Yeah, it's a special noun. Ad-dars is also ism.
اسم.
Okay.
Ism. Hamza
is حرف.
particle.
Hada harfi. What kind of harf is this?
Istifham. Istifham.
Istifham. Because you know, huruf have many kinds, different kinds. For example, sa is called harfi istiqbal. Waw is called harfi atf. Min is called harfi jar. And a is called harfi istifham. And then we have la, harf nafi, lam, harfi nafi. You know, so naam.
حرف نسب.
Yes, so
حرف جواب.
afahimta. Yes, afahimta. So a harf istiqbal. What about fahimta? Fail
فهمت.
is
or ism or harf?
verb.
Fail.
Fail.
Ad-dars.
Noun. Ism.
Ism.
Ism. Okay, then
Yeah.
it will be ad-dars, right?
حرف النداء.
يا
Okay.
حرف نداء.
Yeah,
حرف
harf
النداء.
Excellent.
نداء.
علي.
Aliyu.
اسم.
اسم.
Ism. Okay. La. Naam, fahimtu. Yes, I.
فهمت.
حرف.
نعم. حرف.
نعم.
فعل.
حرف
نعم.
استجاب.
حرف
Yeah.
الجواب.
Or حرف الجواب. Okay.
اسم الجواب أستاذ.
لا لا
حرف
حرف
الجواب.
حرف.
حرف. Okay.
La and Naam and Lam, all of them are huruf. Okay. La. What kind of la
حرف
is this?
نفي.
حرف النفي.
La.
نهي.
Nahiya.
نهي.
La nahiya. Okay.
لا تكتب نهي.
La
نهي.
taktub. Taktub is fail. Ba.
فعل.
حرف jar.
بالقلم. بالقلم حرف.
القلم.
القلم اسم.
اسم.
أحمر.
What about al?
اسم. Al is also a particle.
It's a
Particle
particle.
of
It's a, what do we call it?
tarif.
Lam tarif. Yeah. So we call it lam is called lam tarif. So lam tarif, the reason why we call it because it makes it proper noun. So if there is a common noun when we put al, so that makes it a proper noun. That's why we call it lam tarif, and from there we have the word ma'rifa. Okay, bil-qalam al-ahmari. So al-ahmar is also ism. Okay.
Ism.
What about lam?
Harfun nahi.
Nahi.
Harfun majzum. Harfun
Nafi, right? For nafi.
Nafi.
Not nahi, nafi. Okay. Aghsil.
fail.
Child.
Fail.
Al-manadila.
Ism.
Ism.
Bishabuni.
Handkerchief. Be.
Ba
Is harf of jar and sabun.
And sabun is ism. Okay. What will be the meaning of this one? Lam aghsil al-manadila bishabuni.
I
Do
didn't
not wash my. Do not wash the
See, that's the
handkerchief.
reason we have to translate. I didn't. Lam aghsil, I didn't.
Yes.
Hamza.
I didn't wash the handkerchiefs
The handkerchief with soap.
with the soap. Okay. Lan adhaba.
Harf of nasab.
Yes, it's a harf nasab and also harf nafi للاستقبال for the future. أذهب فعل
I.
إلى yes بلدي
harf.
بلدي مضاف إليه and اسم okay في
harf jar.
عطلة الصيف مضاف إليه
Again, ism.
right? Okay, so yes, okay, so what's the translation? لن أذهب إلى بلدي في عطلة الصيف.
I did not.
I will not.
I will not go to my
You need to write it down. Lam equals didn't and lan means will not.
In the future.
Yes, I will not go to my country.
Go to my country
during the summer vacation. بسبب corona.
In the summer
corona. Okay. هو يبحث عن المفتاح. هو
Ism.
اسم.
okay.
يبحث.
اسم الضمير. Okay. يبحث.
فعل.
مضارع.
Okay. عن حرف جر و also ظرف. Okay. عن المفتاح.
اسم.
Okay. So what's the meaning?
He's searching
for his keys.
Searching for the keys.
It's only one key, isn't it?
For the key. For the key.
Okay. Ma.
Sarah, I didn't understand this one. An is zarf as well as harf jar.
Yes, that's right. Yes, the ulama, because it's like also an and ma, both of them, ma as well, mim and ain with fatha. Ma. Okay. Ma indi qalamun wala kitabun. First, give me the meaning, and then we will talk about this.
I don't have either
pen. Neither a pen nor a book.
Neither pen nor book.
So neither and nor, right? I neither have a pen nor a book. Okay, ma is what?
Harf of naf.
indi nafiya.
Harf nafi.
Okay, indi.
jar majroor.
Okay.
Jar and
or ظرف and مضاف إليه. Okay.
مضاف إليه jar majroor also.
Yes.
ظرف المضاف.
قلم
اسم.
اسم نكرة.
لا. What kind of la is this? La nafiya. ولا كتاب and I neither have a pen nor a book. أنا طالب.
I'm a student.
أنا am طالب. I'm a student.
I'm a student.
Yes, مبتدا خبر. Excellent. And both of them are Isman,
Marfu.
both of them are marfu, and marfu'an wa isman, both of them are nouns as well. Allai equals allati, both of them are used. So either we can say allai or allati. And let's see.
The feminine
here.
version of allazi and allazina.
Yes, it's the plural of allati. Allati, and the plural is allai or allati. Okay. What's the plural of alladhi? The plural of alladhi is alladhina.
Allazina.
Yes, and allati, and the plural is allai or allati. Okay, so we have to only learn this one. So alhamdulillah, we are almost finished. الطالبات اللاتي or allai خرجنا من الفصل الآن من الفلبين. So the feminine students who left the classroom now are from the Philippines. So the use of allai or allati. تأمل ما يلي. Okay, now the real inshallah thing is going to start the use of weak letters. Does anyone remember the past form conjugation of qala? We have already memorized it.
Qala, qulna.
Qulna, okay. So do you remember something? I told you that the verb forms, they have two tracks. Track number 1 and track number 2.
1 to 6.
1 to 5.
From
1 to 5.
it starts to change.
Yes. So when we reach the sixth one, the form, then the track has to be changed. So qala is number 1. Qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qalata, and then qulna. Okay. So this is where we have to figure out like why it has become qulna, why we have dhamma over there, and how these changes take place. As of now, we will only look at here and just go through as we see here. Hamidun qala, anta qulta, ana qultu, nahnu qulna. So from the sixth one, the only reason I will tell you why it has changed into qulna, because it is from bab nasara yansuru. So the only thing as of now you have to remember that if a verb that is ajwaf, the verb that is ajwaf. Now you need to memorize the terms. What is ajwaf? When the second root letter is
empty in the middle. Ajwaf,
wow.
wow.
Yes. So when a verb is ajwaf and the second, it is on the pattern of nasara yansuru, then from the second track, it will change with dhamma. We will change it with dhamma. So it becomes qulta. For example, qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qalata, qulna. And from qulna, you will go all the way up to number 14 on the same pattern. In qulna, qulta, qultuma, qultum, qulti, qultuma, qultunna, qultu, and qulna. So qultu is number 13. Okay, and qulna is 14. Similarly, qama. So why it is qumna? Can you please tell me now? I just gave you the reason why it's changed into dhamma.
It's an ajwaf verb and on nasara pattern.
Excellent. It's ajwaf and it's on the pattern of nasara yansuru. Qama yaqumu. So that's why it has changed into dhamma. So anta qumta, ana qumtu, wa nahnu qumna. To stand or to wake up. Zara is also zara yazuru.
Zurta.
So anta.
Zurta.
Zurta. Ana
Zurtu.
and nahnu zurna. Okay, excellent. So ajwaf and bab nasara, two things we have to remember. So when it is ajwaf and it is bab nasara, then it will change into dhamma. The sixth.
Ustad, why we are telling bab nasra? I didn't understand.
Sorry.
Why we are telling as bab nasra? Because it is ajwaf and nasra is a full complete sound letters are there. Why do we say as bab nasra?
It's because it's on the pattern of nasara yansuru. It is qala
That means it
yaqulu.
will have.
Okay.
There's a weak letter, but it is qala yaqulu. It's basically qawala yaqwulu. Nasara yansuru.
Yansuru. Okay.
Yaqwulu. Yes. So the change is like how these changes take place, inshallah. And the rest of the lessons, starting from lesson number 23 to 31, these 10 lessons, it will be all about how and why these verbs change and how these changes take place. Inshallah, we will focus on that. So when I show you, like as I showed you, first we will look at the base form. For example, qawala yaqulu, then it is nasara yansuru. and then it changes into قال يقول. الكلمات الجديدة, I'm sure you know them all. استقبال, what's the meaning of
Reception.
استقبال? Reception, to
Reception.
receive, reception, or the reception, yes. رئيس, president,
President
and the plural is رؤساء,
was
the presidents,
رؤساء.
yes. فرق, difference, and فروق
Groups.
on the pattern of
Groups, is it?
ruler.
Farqun,
Yes,
groups, because in the
difference.
Quran it comes like.
فرق, difference, and فروق, differences.
Okay.
مثال,
Examples.
Example.
and أمثلة,
Examples.
مهلا,
Slowly.
yes, please slow down or slowly. قسم, kind, and
Qism is
أقسام,
kind.
yes.
Aqsamun.
Okay. الضمة
Ad-dammatu.
والفتحة والكسرة. So these are basically the vowel signs. Dhamma is like this, and fatha is one strike, and the kasra is a strike under the letter. And then we have hadara, yahduru, huduran, to attend. Astarih, sorry, istarih is fi'l al-amr. This is fi'l
Relax.
al-amr of
Recreation.
the weak letters of the 10th form of the verb. Istarih, you relax.
Inta,
and
where the
istarihu,
3 letters are there.
yes. Istarih, you relax, and istarihu, you all relax. Ata yati ityanan, to come. Ata yati ityanan, also very, very important verb
Most
form.
commonly used in the
Yes,
Quran.
used a lot, yes. So inshallah, we will learn all these forms. The next lesson is piece of cake. And inshallah, I'm sure you will be able to do it because we don't have any new information. It's about halat al-madari al-thalathu. That's what we have learned, that it will be marfu, it will be mansub, and it will be majzoom. And that's inshallah what you are going to do tomorrow. There are no handouts for this one, so you need to go through, and inshallah tomorrow we will only discuss. And after tomorrow, we have Yawm al-Watani here in Saudi Arabia, the national day, and we have off. So inshallah, Wednesday is going to be off. Not tomorrow, after tomorrow.
Yeah.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وإياك.